That's the U.S. Constitution, not your feelings, not your feelings, not what your captain or your sergeant says. It's what the Constitution says, and y'all violate it every single day. You literally witnessed a crime being taking place right in front of you, and you didn't do shit about it. So, if it had been me, you'd have did something.
There's no one in the vehicle.
You know what we have also, if you know your...
Come on, man. Come on, man. No one in the vehicle. There's a tag right there, bro. It tells you who they are. You just ain't gonna do nothing because you don't want to, because they work for you.
I can do that. I can't.
Keep saying it.
I have discretion whether I charge somebody or not. That's one of the benefits I have.
This right here, folks, ultimately might be the most accurate statement any cop has ever made in the history of policing ever. Officer discretion is one of the most powerful tools that cops have, giving them the power to cherry pick and choose of whose lives they want to worsen. Welcome back to the channel where we showcase the worst cops in the United States of America, as well as other parts of the globe. Today's particular video is brought to us by the way of this channel here, Q Audits. Make sure you guys go give him the support he deserves. In this video, he approaches a few deputies from the Gaston County Sheriff's Office out of the state of North Carolina. These deputies get startled as this man approaches the vehicle and then get a bit aggressive with this individual as they engage in conversation. I want you folks to know that this dude does an outstanding job standing firm on his rights, as he was well within them, to say the least. I think these deputies end up making a fool of themselves on camera as they say some pretty outlandish stuff. I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Hey, man. Move away from the vehicle.
No.
Don't do something stupid.
Oh, I'm well within my rights, bro.
You are.
Is this public property?
Behind us right now.
Oh, officer safety's the law now? Oh, bull crap. Bull crap.
Dude, walk away.
I don't answer questions.
Walk away.
I don't answer questions.
Walk away.
I'm gonna walk this way, freely.
Listen.
Sir, don't.
Listen, you're not gonna follow us like that.
Hey, bro, I ain't following. You're not gonna turn this into your safety, bro. You're not. I'm not no threat to neither one of y'all. Y'all the ones with the weapons. I ain't got nothing but a camera. Why are you so scared? It's a free country, bro. Y'all don't like it. Y'all's authority only reaches when there's a crime. No, you don't, sir. If you cared, you would have helped me out. You wouldn't be sitting here harassing me right now.
What did you need? I brought you a complaint form.
How long did it take me to get these?
We just got called up to the front. You wouldn't talk to the people in the office.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Sir, I've been here for 3 hours on the phone. You're a liar, bro. You're a liar.
What were you been here for 3 hours for? Get those papers?
Between me and... I got what I needed.
Okay.
And now I'm conducting business still.
Who gave it to you?
That was you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I was fixing to leave, and I luckily turned around.
You're welcome.
So
I don't. This is required.
You wanted, right?
Right.
This is required. This is part of your job.
Okay. Well, you said
I don't need to say thank you for doing your job.
You got a problem with that.
Man, what if
I got a problem with tyrants.
What if you're at the store?
I got a problem with tyrants that walk around with their badge and their gun, and they think that gives them authority to overrule me when I ain't did nothing wrong.
Listen,
you don't get out and yell at me and talk to me.
Your life was in danger if I ran up behind you at the store.
Yes, sir. You got a gun, you got a badge, y'all legally kill people and get away with it. Hell yeah, I'd be scared. Oh, shake your head, because you're in those shoes. Come and join us for a little while and see how it feels. See how it feels.
Why don't you come join us?
Why would I? Why would I, bro? Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not at all, brother. I'm nothing that you think I am, buddy. I'm an American citizen.
Those who say that we're in a time when there are no heroes, they just don't know where to look.
That's going to make sure that this crap gets exposed.
Well, don't walk
I'm going to be the future of this country.
Don't run behind our car anymore. You can take a picture of it all you want.
Sir, you don't scare me. You don't. Your threats don't scare me. It works on other citizens. You realize what you just did, right?
No one's threatening.
You threatened me just now.
I threatened you.
You threatened me. You threatened me, sir.
You ran up
Your word.
us.
Who ran up? Holy shit, bro. You got a fucking problem, son.
Try not to use that language.
I can and I will. That's part of being an American citizen. Whether you, my property, sir, not yours.
My property.
This, no, you don't. This ain't your property. You're in duty. You work for me.
Not mine, but yours.
Because you're on duty right now, sir.
But why is it not mine?
Because you work for us. No, you don't. Your taxes. Your money is tax money. You're a welfare recipient.
How do you know?
How do I know? Because my taxes pay you, sir.
I know what I own. You don't.
I don't need to know what you own, but I know what we're going to take away. That's all I need to say.
Anything else?
I didn't ask for your help to begin with, sir. I really didn't.
I was concerned for my safety.
Take that concern somewhere else, sir. I didn't run, make up your stories. Is that how you do your police reports too? You add in shit to make it sound good to fit you?
Wonderful.
Yeah, we're going to check them, see.
I mean, you got your complaint for
We're going to check them and we're going to see. I'm not your regular Joe citizen, bro. I'm not.
I'm not your regular deputy.
Yeah, you are. You proved it. As of when I came walking up, and I wasn't bothering y'all. I didn't hurt y'all. But you're bothering yourself. Your ADD ain't got nothing to do with me, bro. You're on duty, son. You're on duty. Go do your job.
Anything else?
Go do your job. That's what I want you to do. No, you're not. You came up putting your hand on your gun. That is not you doing your job on a man just standing here holding a fucking camera, dude.
I didn't know it was a camera.
Ah, bush.
Running across the parking lot.
Come on with your lies. That might work in the court of y'all's court, but I bet you the court of public opinion don't work, buddy. That's important right now, and you'll figure that out. It's about the end, y'all.
Need anything else?
I didn't ask for your help to begin with, bro. I asked for Captain Radford. He blew me off just like the rest of everybody else did, so I'm still here.
He's not available.
He was.
So they blew you off. We didn't blow you off. Matter of fact, we come looking for you to give you what you asked for.
And when I asked for a badge and name, guess what happened? That demeanor changed. Yeah, when I didn't say what you wanted me to say and I didn't lick your boots, then it changed, bro.
Simple. Thank you.
I don't need to thank you for what y'all do. I don't thank nobody for what y'all do. There is good cops and there's bad cops. Majority of them are like y'all. You don't know what you swore your nose to, bro. That's important. It is important. That's the U.S. Constitution, not your feelings, not what your captain or your sergeant says. It's what the Constitution says, and y'all violate it every single day. You literally witnessed a crime being taking place right in front of you, and you didn't do shit about it. So, if it had been me, you'd have did something.
There's no one in the vehicle.
You know what we have also, if you know your...
Come on, man. Come on, man. No one in the vehicle. There's a tag right there, bro. It tells you who they are. You just ain't gonna do nothing because you don't want to, because they work for you.
I can do I can.
Keep saying it.
I have discretion whether I charge somebody or not. That's one of the benefits I have.
And there it is, folks. Don't you just love to see how cops take pride in being corrupt at their jobs? It really exposes those who are in the job for the wrong reasons. What this individual is saying here, folks, makes total sense because it's something that doesn't occur very often. And this cop here basically confirms that on camera. If you see a cop committing a crime or a traffic violation, they have the discretion to not do anything about it. It is very rare that you see cops arresting other cops. In fact, they actually have a policy within police and sheriff's departments that they are to never disparage the integrity of their fellow coworkers. And if you don't believe me, folks, it blatantly says it right there in their all-time favorite slogan, "Back the Blue," which I think is a very dangerous policy for cops to have, as well as for the people. If those who are supposed to hold us accountable for our actions can't even do it for themselves, what kind of justice system do we live in? Cops in general have become so accustomed to violating the people's rights on a daily basis that they look like a deer in the headlights when they come across someone who actually knows what they're talking about when it comes to their rights and laws, kind of like this gentleman here. And I have to tell you, folks, that it's quite refreshing to see. So let's keep watching.
The Constitution says otherwise.
No, it
Where
doesn't.
does it say
Okay.
otherwise? Where in the Constitution does it say otherwise? You don't know.
There's a law. If there's a law, you enforce it, brother. You don't discretionary do whatever you... That's something y'all added later on. That way you could keep your brothers safe. When you see another cop doing something wrong, you can just say, oh, screw it, we don't care. Because they work for you. I promise you that vehicle gets moved. I promise you. It will not be there again. And I will spend my time to make sure. I don't need to be, but I know people that are. And if they wanted to come park, they couldn't because your employee decides they're better than everybody else. And they can just park wherever they please.
I don't think it's an employee vehicle.
Oh, it's been there all day, bro. It's been there all day. It's been there since I've been here.
How long have you been
there? Ain't none of your business. Do your job and figure it out.
You've been here probably 25 minutes.
Oh, go do your job and figure out how long I've been here, bro. I've been here a while.
Anything else?
They know how long I've been here. They know I'm here. I've been around the whole building.
Anything else we can help you with?
I didn't ask for your help to begin with, sir.
We're going to go.
All right. You're dismissed. That's nice, ain't it? You putting your hand on your gun like that, sir?
Hey,
that's going to be...
Don't walk up on the car or you're going to regret it.
What are you going to do, shoot me? Fucking pussy. Shit. Fuck you going to do, bro? You ain't going to do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, tyrant. You ain't gonna do shit. Sienna, Toyota, Sienna. See.
And that, folks, is exactly how it's done when it comes to dealing with freedom-hating tyrants who like to abuse their powers out on the streets. I think this video demonstrates to us the importance of knowing and understanding what your rights are, because cops sure as shit do not. And you can ask any one of them out there what the First Amendment is. You might as well find a wall to stare at and talk to, because it's pretty much the same thing. If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos teaching you folks out there what your rights are and how to properly stand up for them. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution protects your rights to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. These are the 5 fundamental freedoms of the first law of the land here in the US and the most basic aspect of the Constitution. Know your rights, folks, and if you have any videos you'd like us to highlight, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com for the proper exposure. With that, I'd like to thank all you ladies and gentlemen for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.